Opening shot, a close-up of a computer screen with a Python code editor open. Host, VO, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the world of programming. Today, we have an exciting video for you as we explore the Python programming language. Python is one of the most popular programming languages out there, known for its simplicity and versatility. So, whether you are a complete beginner or an experienced coder, this Python introduction video is for you. Transition, fast-paced snippets of Python code being written and executed on screen. Host, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language that emphasizes readability and simplicity. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. Python's design philosophy focuses on code readability, allowing programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code than other languages. Transition, visuals of Python being used in different domains, such as web development, data science, and automation. Host, Python's versatility is one of its biggest strengths. It can be used for various purposes, from web development and data analysis to artificial intelligence and automation. This flexibility has made Python a top choice among developers across different industries. Transition, a split-screen effect showing the host explaining key Python features while relevant code snippets appear on the other side. Host, let's now take a closer look at some key features of Python that make it such a powerful language. 1. Readability. Python code is known for its clean and organized structure, using indentation to define code blocks. This makes it easier to understand and maintain, even for beginners. 2. Easy to learn. Python has a gentle learning curve, making it an excellent choice for beginners. Its syntax is simple and intuitive, resembling natural language patterns. 3. Large standard library. Python comes with an extensive standard library, providing a wide range of pre-built modules and functions that simplify development tasks. 4. Third-party libraries. In addition to the standard library, Python has a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks, such as Django for web development and NumPy for scientific computing. These libraries expand Python's capabilities and make it suitable for various domains. 5. Cross-platform compatibility. Python is a cross-platform language, meaning it can run on different operating systems, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, without requiring significant modifications to the code. Transition, the host appears on screen again, with the Python shell in the background. Host, now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some actual coding. Python has a feature called the Python shell, which allows us to experiment and execute code interactively. On-screen demonstration, the host opens the Python shell and enters a simple print statement. Host, as you can see, we can execute Python code line by line in the shell. It's a great way to test small snippets of code and get immediate feedback. Transition, visuals of code editors and integrated development environments, IDEs, commonly used for Python development. Host, when working on larger projects, it's best to use code editors or integrated development environments, IDEs, tailored for Python. Some popular options include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, and Jupyter Notebook. Transition, the host explains Python variables and data types using code examples. Host, now, let's talk about variables and data types. In Python, we can assign values to variables, which are like containers for storing data. Python supports various data types, such as integers, floats, strings, lists, and dictionaries. On-screen demonstration, the host defines variables and prints their values. Host, here, I've defined variables with